With reference to the words almost or nearly, both have the same meaning and usually can be used interchangeably. The context here is progression. The progression is normally with counting or measuring things. Well, let's dive in. The first point is almost or nearly are usually interchangeable. For example, the job was almost finished when it was stopped. The job was nearly finished when it was stopped. Last year he earned almost $1 billion. Last year he earned nearly $1 billion. So here almost and nearly are interchangeable. Now the second point is almost or nearly produce more effect with adjectives. It is almost impossible to achieve this target. So impossible is the adjective. The next is the copy is a nearly perfect replication of the original. The experience was almost superlative. The magic was nearly wonderful and almost amazing. So in this sentence we find both the words nearly and almost. The magic was nearly wonderful and almost amazing. We could have said the magic was wonderful and amazing, but when we use the words nearly and almost prior to the adjectives wonderful and amazing, then the effect is more. Third slide. Use almost to soften a negative sentence. So we make it softer. For example, the negative sentence is she wished to never see him again. To make it softer, we use almost before wished. She almost wished to never see him again. We cannot say she nearly wished to never see him again. So the word nearly is inappropriate and we do not use that. Now the fourth slide is use almost before the word any. For example, this solution will solve almost any problem. We cannot say this solution will solve nearly any problem. Fifth slide, use almost before negative words like no, none, never, nobody, nothing. For example, on stage, he has almost no confidence. We do not say on stage he has nearly no confidence. Almost none of the students arrived on time. We do not say nearly none of the students arrived on time. She almost never became as rich as her mother. It is wrong to say she nearly never became as rich as her mother. Almost nobody came for the meeting. Not nearly nobody came for the meeting. The profit is negligible or almost nothing. It is incorrect to say the profit is negligible or nearly nothing. So almost is more appropriate. In summary, pay attention to the context and you will find the most suitable word. Here the context is in terms of progress of things. So what degree, what intensity of progression you want to display in your sentence would determine whether you need to use almost or nearly. I hope this lesson has clarified your understanding of these words. Thank you.